So who are you here to see?
We're here to see the Laughing Samoans, of course.
Cool. Uncle Sam, how's it to be in Honolulu again?
Remember when we used to walk on the beach? Everybody
But it's, it's good to be here, nice weather.
lie on the sand. All the fellas wishing they were me. Remember when we used to walk on the beach? Everybody used to look at us.
Yeah, so it should be a good show in OGG and in...
Ogi.
Aussie, he died.
His name is Oki.
Oh, what about the Aussie, the comedian?
But you paid them no.
This is how you know you made it big time. When you have a dressing room with a piece of paper, and Xerox with your name.
That's all it is.
Then we're here at Bridgetown and we've got an awesome lineup tonight. We've got Lana Savet.
Jealousy.
I had one out of Jack out there.
Remember when we used to walk on the beach?
Much love to the Laughing Samoans.
The last time we were at the Blaisdell, the house was full, but it's gotten bigger and bigger each time, eh?
Everybody used to look at us with envy. Remember when we used to lie on the
After so many other ways, it's gonna be a hilarious night. It's gonna be wonderful.
And the support that we've had from everybody, just driving around Honolulu and having people say, "Hey, we'll see you after the show."
So tonight I get to open for the Laughing Samoans. How's that? And I get my own dressing room. You know who sat on this high-priced chair right here? Huh? You know whose money was sitting on this couch?
Have a lot of the women fans been
Oh,
coming and saying hello to you? sir?
yeah, you know how it is. Try to call me, text to me, and text to me.
Shaman, I love you!
Well, have you been down to Waikiki?
Yeah, I've seen
Been some surfing?
Yeah, on the net. And so I can't do too much. I got the crunchy.
Yeah, just gonna tune and make sure the guitar's in tune.
Too afraid of what you're gonna think about me. That is why I hide my true feelings inside. I get so shy when I am around you.
Movie Enemy is going to be here tonight. See him. It's a week away behind.
Of course, the big talking point at the moment is the elections. Of course, Obama was, was brought up in Hawaii. What are your views on that?
Well, I used to go to school in UH with Osama, and so I think hopefully one day they will find him.
So it's finished. Really enjoyed it. Great crowd. Good to see Wolfie out there. And no other better concert than having Lana Savet and also the legend himself, George Waikoso Fiji, to open up for us. So really enjoying it. Augie's doing an awesome job out there, but we want to get ready to change and hopefully we can meet some other people out there.
Show. We loved it. The Wiggles parody was bomb.
Explain to me why my heart beats faster when I see you.
Just want to say to all the Hawaii people, namaste.